Hey everyone, Attorney Matthew Legan Sanchez. Today we're going to talk about the do's and the don'ts of courtroom etiquette in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Do show up on court on time. In fact, show up 15 minutes early. These judges hate it when you're late, and being late could mean that you get a default judgment against you and your ex gets everything that they're asking for because you were late and didn't show up on time. So show up on time, show up 15 minutes early, know where you're going to park, know what court you're going to, and be there on time. Show respect to your judge and they're going to show respect to you. Don't show up to court dressed inappropriately. Show up like you're going to a wedding, a funeral, or you have an interview that's really important and you want to make a good impression. You don't have to wear a top hat and a monocle. You don't have to have a scarf on, but you do need to look like you have respect for the judge. And by showing up and looking appropriate, the judge is going to think that you have respect for your case, and then they're going to show your case respect. Don't bring your cell phone into court. Don't chew your gum in court. Do make sure that who you bring into court is appropriate. Don't bring friends that are going to be loud, that are going to be offensive. Personally, as an attorney, I've had people in the stands who have insulted me. The judge has heard this and have kicked them out of the courthouse. Don't be that person. Don't make faces or noises when your judge is talking or making a ruling. Judges hate when you make faces, oh, or you make a sound, oh, when they're making a ruling or making a decision. It's gonna hurt your case. They don't like that. Don't talk out. Don't have someone in the stands that talks out. Keep quiet when the judge is talking and have respect for the judge, and they'll have respect for you. Tell your attorney all of the facts so they know what's going on. Your attorney can work with any fact you give them if they know the fact. The day to court is not the time to tell your attorney something very important, because on the fly and in that second, they're going to have to make up something to support your case, and you don't want that at that moment. Be upfront with your attorney, tell them all of the facts, listen to your attorney. If your attorney gives you advice, take that advice. They're not giving you the advice to lecture you or to show that they're better than you. They're telling you that because your particular judge probably doesn't like what's going on and you need to act differently. One of the biggest reasons you're hiring an attorney is for them to give you advice on what you should do before court, not just in court. A good attorney has experience and they can get you set up for court by taking the right action before court and doing what you need to do. Maybe you need counseling, maybe there needs to be substance abuse treatment, maybe you need to show that you are stable. There's any number of things that you need to do before court, so listen to your attorney and it will help you in court. Most people aren't attorneys, they don't like being in court. Court's not a fun place to be, it's not a cool place, you're not gonna have a great time there, but you're gonna need to listen to an attorney that has experience. If you have questions about your case, call an experienced attorney like me, Matthew Legan Sanchez. You can call me at 505 Sanchez. I can listen to your specific case. I can guide you towards the steps that you need to take before your trial or your hearing so you can be the best prepared so you can have the best outcome possible.